Hello, welcome to Pergola Nurseries in Virginia. The flowers are about to open on this plant here. It's Cotinus Royal Purple, and when they open they look like smoke from a distance, which gives it its common name of smoke bush. It's great colour. That dark foliage stands out so well, and you can plant anything around it. You can put something with golden foliage, you can put a plant maybe with dark purple flowers, but really it's a tough hardy shrub that, if you have room, there should be one in every garden. Now this is the time of year to plant Cotinus Royal Purple or smoke bush. So that's Cotinus Royal Purple. Now to plant it, it's just a matter of, this is nice little bushy plants, decent sized planting, hold a little bit of super thrive planting fertilizer at the bottom, swell well compost and soil on top, and the same back in around. Now this one is about, I suppose about 5 years old, maybe 6, but even in 2 or 3 years time you'll have a fine plant that looks well from late spring right into late autumn. It's one of the last plants to lose its foliage, but it's a stunner and well worth finding a spot for. Look at that, isn't it just gorgeous? Goodbye for now, enjoy your garden.